Hey baby, how you doing?
Hey guys, how are you? It is the 4th of July and we are at Epcot today. So, we're going to show you this. This is the spot where we come every year to watch fireworks. We have been pass holders since when? Like 2012?
2011 I was going to say. Because of Lily.
Maybe 2012.
No, 2010 because of Lily, remember?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fair. So
2010.
2010. And it is now 2021. So we have been pass holders for a very long time. So we
11
know
years.
exactly where you want to watch this fireworks.
Exactly.
This is where you're going to get the best view of all of the fireworks in Epcot.
This right here is going to make it go off, guys. I mean, this is the place to be every 4th of July. I mean, artificial sun right here.
Whether or not it's 4th of July or if you're just watching Epcot Forever or their new fireworks show, that's going to start soon. This is going to be where you want to watch it. This is where you want to start lining up. This is an insider secret because once we tell people, now everyone's going to be coming over here. Because as you can see, it's not that full. Not that many people know about it.
Right, we came here at a good time. This right here is going to be filled with a lot of people.
You heard it here first, so
Yes.
Remember that. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us. Follow me on Disney.Princess, Disney.Princess88 on Instagram.
Awesome.
And we will
check back with you guys
when the fireworks are about to start. So.
We call it Epcot.
Is at the heart of our creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark. when it's set free.
Making memories, taking pictures is making memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours and making them mine. Veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie fruit, fruit, veggie, veggie fruit.
right, guys, comment. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Get ready for the 4th of July. We're excited.
Thank you for joining us for
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
As you take your next steps into the future,
I
we
will have
hope you
Pop forever.
continue
The fireworks were
creating and
awesome.
discovering wherever you
Yeah,
go.
I love the
Remember,
songs a
it
lot,
only takes
and
one
yeah.
little spark of inspiration to unlock the possibilities of tomorrow. From all of us here at Epcot, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
All right, guys.